Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to enable or disable demo mode on this device. So first we should go to the settings application and scroll down to the about phone section. Now just will go down, and now we need to enable the developer options on our device. To do that, you just have to keep tapping here on the about number, and then you will see the message that you are a developer now. Now we'll just go back and tap here to the system section. Now just go to the advanced options, and here we'll see the developer options section. Now just tap there and scroll down to the to the demo mode. Okay, I'll just find this here. So, and yeah, here we got the our system demo mode. And now just to enable the demonstration mode, tap here once on the switcher, and we just activated our demo mode. And if you want to turn it off, that's nothing difficult. Just tap here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.